Hello there, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Chat Gpt to make a Roblox game and some tips and tricks to use it effectively. So first go into Chat Gpt, and in this video I'm going to be getting it to make an OP generator script. So you've got to be very specific and of what you say, and so I had to ask it to do a server script because otherwise it might give you a local script and you do not want that to happen. So as you can see, it attempts to make us an OP generator script. The first tip I'll give you is it will cut out when its network request reaches its limit. So when it does, say continue, and it'll just keep writing the script. And so you can see here I'm jumping into Roblox Studio and I'm pasting in the script that I gave me. So once I have pasted in the script, I find that there's errors because the AI tried to create scripts and use the source property, but I didn't have the permissions of the game settings turned on, so it could. And this is another mistake that the AI makes assumptions and tries to access hacky properties like source. So I asked it to rewrite the script so it does not use source, and it attempted to rewrite this OP generator script for me without source. So the next thing is I want to state as a tip is that whenever the AI creates functions, as you can see here, it's put colons and dots in between the names, and the functions aren't local how they should be. So that's another thing you'll have to do if the AI creates functions for you like it did mine. You'll have to check the functions for dots and colons that shouldn't be there, because otherwise it'll cause errors. So once I finally fix the functions, I run the game and find that the AI has spawned everything on top and not moved it across. So then I have to get that AI to rewrite it, so the player has to jump to the platform to get the end, and you'll see the result of that soon. You have to be very specific on what you want, otherwise this AI will definitely not get you what you want. So make sure to put a lot of effort into those prompts and a lot of thought. And so I spot that in a function it's forgotten that I asked it to be a server script and added game.players.local player, which only works in a local script, so I get it to rewrite it for a server script. Which it does. And so I paste in this code and I fix the functions, and there's actually a pretty good obby. And then so I play the game to see if the platforms actually work, and for some weird reason Roblox spawns in all the gear that I have into my inventory, but I also discover that the platforms all can collide false. So rather than simply going into the script myself and changing that small detail, I asked the AI to rewrite it. So the platforms can collide true, so the player can actually jump on them. But unfortunately I wasn't specific enough, and the jump pads are still can collide false, as you'll see in a few more minutes after I fix the functions that I forgot to remove the dots and colons from. And so when I play here, I can actually jump on the platforms. So I delete the base plate to see if I can jump on everything. But like I said earlier, I forgot to tell the AI to do the jump pads can collide true as well. So to change that one word, I have to ask the AI to rewrite it. The only problem now is that things that the AI claimed to be jump pads are as good as platforms. I don't bother spending more time talking to the AI to get the jump pads to work, because the obby is looking kind of good, apart from the fact that what the AI calls platforms are this weird neon color. So after I play through the obby, I decide that I want more added to it. So I go back to Chat Gpt and ask it to scatter lasers along the obby, and it does just that. And so now I finally have game that can pass for an obby, as you'll see in the final result here. So I hope this makes it easier for you to build AI generated games, and I hope you like this video. If you did and you think it helped you, then don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I'd really appreciate it. Bye, and thanks for watching.